Make a great choice today with the 2025 Honda CR-V Hybrid. The Honda CR-V Hybrid offers a powertrain with plenty of energy, a cabin with plenty of room, and a ride with plenty of comfort. This is all in addition to the fact it's a hybrid vehicle and the additional efficiency that offers, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, rear spoiler, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power liftgate, stability control, tire pressure monitor. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.